When I started my sales career, I was very serious. I practiced nearly all the closing techniques and convincing skills. But to be honest with you, I hardly closed any sales. I hated my sales job. But there was another guy in my department. He closed many sales. He didn't know any techniques I knew. He hardly practiced any skills. For years, I couldn't identify what he did right. After many years back, one day, I cracked the code and it totally upside down my sales career. I'm going to share that secret with you right now. Stay tuned. There are two fundamental laws you have to follow when you are selling. If you break these laws, you won't be able to sell. No matter whether you are an experienced person or a skillful person, if you break these two laws, you won't be able to sell. Here's the number one law. People don't like to be sold. I repeat it. People don't like to be sold. The more you try to sell to your prospect, more they will run faster. The more you try to chase them, they will run faster and faster. Then you will feel tired, you will feel exhausted, and you will feel totally fed up of your job. That exactly happened to me. Because the reason is, you want your prospect or the customers to be sold. In other words, you want your prospect or customers to buy. Then you break the fundamental law. People don't like to be sold. Now you understand what's the reason for that? I will give you an example. In cold calling, you may call a number of customers, maybe hundreds of customers. But at the end of the day, only very few people will say yes to you. Out of yes category, you can convert into sales only a very few customers. May I ask you, give me an honest answer. What's your conversion rate? Maybe 5%, 7%? I guess most probably it will be below 10%. That means even you contact hundreds of customers, at the end of the day, you can make sale of 5 people. That's the reality. But on the other hand, imagine a situation like this. 10 prospects called your mobile phone. Now tell me honestly, how many of them can you convert into sales? I'll tell you, most probably it will be more than 6. In my case, it will be most probably 100% or 99%. Very hardly I will miss the chance. Why? What's the reason for that? This is why I bring you the second law. People buy from the people they like. People buy from the people they like. Now the most important question is, how do your prospect being liked to you? That's a very, very important question. If you can answer for this question, then your prospect and the customers will like you and you are fulfilling the second law, so you can close sales very easily. Prospect don't feel like pushy. You are a salesperson. They don't feel like you are a salesperson. They will feel like you are a genuine person. They feel like you genuinely help them to sort out their problems. Therefore, there is a very important concept that you have to understand. This concept is called value. You just want to understand this concept really well, because it is really important in your sales career. If you don't know this, the meaning of this word and how it is going to be used, then it will be a problematic situation in your career. Therefore, remember, the prospect will like you when you create enough value for them. You have to understand the meaning of value. There are different definitions of value. I will tell you my definition. Value in the sense, the help or the support you give to your prospect or client to make the right decision to sort out their problems. How you can help them? You can provide the right information, you can provide the right insights, and you can provide the right actions for them. But you have to be genuine, you have to be honest, because when you get into the prospect in a fake way, if you try to imitate, if you try to use a lot of closing techniques and try to grab the sale, immediately the prospect or the customers can feel that. You will break that barrier, then after that you can't make that customer happy. Therefore, genuinely interest on people, genuinely try to help the people, genuinely try to add value for them. But adding value doesn't guarantee that you will get the sale. You may get the sale or you may not get the sale. But I will tell you one thing. If you keep on adding value to your prospect, and if you are genuinely adding value to your prospect, your probability of closing the sale is very high. You can stand out from the rest. You can build a strong brand on your consumer's mind. Now the question is, how you can add value to your prospect? Rather than sharpening your convincing skills, rather than sharpening your closing techniques, develop the skills to add value to your clients. Develop the skills to add value to your prospects. Now we are in the social media era. So therefore, your prospect can immediately Google your name. And if you have if you have social media videos, and if they are adding value to your prospect, you're having a high chance to get the sale. Therefore, before you go to the prospect, you can add value to your prospect. In this social media era, you can use LinkedIn, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, and different platforms you can use to add value to your prospects. Publish the articles, videos and posts which is related to sort out their problems, which is related to add value for their lives. When you send a newsletter to your prospect, add value to them. Don't push your products, because there are a lot of product pushers or the service pushers in the industry. You just want to stand out from the rest. Therefore, remember these 2 laws and it will take you to the next level. You will be a sales superstar. I'll catch you soon with another video like this. Good luck.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.